Another subscriber mentioned Goto Tendon, and I ordered their famous Goto Tendon, their beef tendon pares, and their ube cheese con yelo. So if you're ready, let's go! Starting off with their Goto Tendon, as you can see, it comes with calamansi, onion leeks, chicharron, and the Goto itself. Now, Goto is a variation of rice porridge. So checking the Goto Tendon, I can see pieces of tripe, I can see fat, I can see a quail egg, and then you have the rice porridge itself. So we're going to try the Goto first, and then we're going to add in all the other ingredients, and then we're going to try it out again. Cheers. Exactly how Filipino Goto should taste like. You have the rice porridge, plus you can taste a little bit of the oil from the fat, and it's not that salty. Before we add in the other ingredients, let's try the tripe first. The tripe is soft. It tells me that it was cooked for a long time. It's not melt in your mouth, but it is close to that. So now I've added the other ingredients. Let's mix it up and let's taste it. I'm excited for the chicharron. I have a feeling this will definitely elevate the flavor. Okay, that's enough mixing. Let's get a piece of everything. I was not mistaken. The chicharron definitely does give it a crunchy texture. It also adds to the salt, and with the calamansi, it balances everything out. You can definitely taste the beefy flavor of the Goto. One more bite. If you love Filipino porridge, then this is for you. And if you add in the chicharron, it does give it an additional flavor and texture. Now let's move on to the beef tendon pares. But first, let me take one more bite. Let's go. So this is the beef tendon pares, and as you can see, it comes with fried rice, pares. It also comes with their homemade chili sauce and soup. I will not try the soup that comes with this because the soup is just an additional add-on. Now I'm a bit confused why this order did not come with calamansi. Usually pares comes with calamansi, garlic flakes, and onion leeks. But anyway, let's see how it will go. As you check inside the pares, you can see the beef, the tendon. By the looks of the tendon, since it is transparent, it tells me that this has been cooked for a long time, which is good because tendon, if it was not cooked properly, is a bit tough. Now, checking the beef, it looks soft and like the marinade sunk into the meat. Anyway, we'll find out soon because we're going to taste it. So, starting with the soup. The soup is sweet, a bit watery. You can taste a little bit of the oil from the fat of the beef, and you can taste hints of star anise. Now let's try the beef first, and then let's check the tendon.
Oh, yes.
As expected, the beef is tender. I can taste the fat, and definitely the taste of the Paris soup did sink in to the beef, which is good. It tells me this was cooked for a long time. Now, let's taste the tendon. Oh, oh baby, that's really soft. And it really has that beef flavor. For me, if you eat the tendon on its own with some garlic rice, I'm fine. So let's get some chili sauce. Let's add it to the beef tendon Paris. Mix it a bit. Get some beef. And let's add the fried rice. I love fried rice. This Paris is another perfect combination. The chili sauce does have its purpose. The sweetness of the beef Paris with the garlic salty flavor of the fried rice with the garlic and sourness of the chili sauce does make everything work well. Now, it is a bit spicy, so if you don't mind the spiciness, the three would work well together. This is the ube cheese con yelo, and as you can see, it has the ube slush, it has the cheese, and it has flan on it. Now I went ahead and mixed the ube cheese con yelo because that's how Filipinos eat their con yelo. You have to mix it first before you eat it. So now let's try how the mixed flavor is. Perfect for a hot day. You have the sweetness from the ube. Then you have the salty sourness from the cheese. And then the sweetness is added by the flan. The ube cheese con yelo is like a slushy, and the flan does give it an additional milky and sweet flavor. You know, if you're stressed out, one order of this will remove all your stress, will make you think of nothing. Especially if you love ube and you love cheese and you love flan, the combination of the three definitely brings it to a different universe. One more bite. The flan really does give it this different flavor. Let's move on to the review. So the main selling points of Goto Tendon is their tendon and their soup. They say that their tendon is imported from the US and that the soup is cooked with the beef and the beef bones and the tendons for a long time. Now, I would not be surprised because the Goto Tendon does have that beefy flavor. For the beef tendon pares, the pares was sweet, the beef was soft, and the tendon was, oh my god, cooked to perfection. So if you were to ask me, there were two highlights of this place. It would be the chili sauce. Mixing the beef pares with the fried rice would be an okay meal, but adding the chili sauce would take it to a whole new level. And the second would be the ube cheese con yelo. The taste of the ube added with the salty sourness of the cheese and the sweetness of the leche flan mixes well together. And on a summer day, the ube cheese con yelo would make you forget all your worries. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I'll make sure to check them out and I will see you in the next video.